If you're looking for a quality dual WAN small office or home router, Dratex Vigor 2915 series may be just what you're looking for. Hi everyone and welcome to Dratec Australia and New Zealand. My name's Darren and I'd like to introduce you to the Dratec Vigor 2915 series of routers. The Dratec Vigor 2915 series picks up where the previous Vigor 2912 series left off, adding gigabit Ethernet ports and an upgrade from 802.11n Wi-Fi to 11AC. Two models are featured, the non-wireless model I have here and an AC1300 wireless model which supports 2x2 MIMO up to 400 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band and 2x2 MIMO up to 867 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band. MIMO stands for multiple input, multiple output. 2x2 MIMO offers two spatial streams of transmitting and receiving data on the same wireless channel simultaneously. Wi-Fi features include access control, WPS, AP discovery, airtime fairness, band steering and bandwidth management. If you'd like more information about airtime fairness and band steering, I'll include a link in the description below to a recent video I made on the topic. Both models support up to 30,000 NAT sessions and 500 megabits per second NAT throughput, making it perfect for homes and small offices. Physically, in common to both models, on the front we have link lights showing us which ports are connected, whether we're online, and an activity light. Around the back we have a gigabit WAN port which can connect to all types of internet connections requiring an Ethernet WAN port, including cable internet and NBN fibre to the premises, fibre to the curb, hybrid fibre coaxial, fixed wireless and SkyMaster satellite. Next we have 3 gigabit Ethernet LAN ports, and the last port can be configured either as a 4th gigabit LAN port or as a secondary Ethernet WAN internet connection. Over on the left it also has a USB port which can be used for a 3G, 4G internet connection, or connect a USB storage device or a USB printer for quick and easy network storage or printing. Or it can be used to connect to the Dratec DT201U USB thermometer to monitor device temperature. The wireless model features detachable antennas with SMA connectors. These can be upgraded to larger antennas if you find you need to extend the wireless range a little. Dratec have the ANT1207 available or the directional ANT2520. If we take a peek at the web user interface and go to WAN, General Setup, up the top for when we have two active internet connections, load balance mode is set to auto wait and IP based by default, but we can change those to according to line speed or session based if we want to aggregate our two WANs. If we select WAN 2 here in physical mode, we can change between Ethernet or USB for a 3G or 4G USB connection. In the wireless Vigor 2915 AC model, we also get 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi options to connect to a wireless ISP. That also comes in handy if your main internet connection goes down. You can then connect your router to your mobile phone's wireless hotspot to keep your network online in an emergency. Down the bottom here we can change our second internet connection from always on to failover mode, so instead of being on all the time and load sharing between the two internet connections, it just comes online if or when the primary internet connection goes down. Under LAN VLAN we can set up to 8 VLANs or virtual LANs to segregate the local network into different IP subnets for performance or security reasons. You might use this in say a home office situation where you want to keep family members out of the office network and vice versa. It has a hotspot web portal if you want to run a public Wi-Fi network. It has an object-based stateful firewall. Using objects simplifies the process and efficiency of creating firewall rules. Content Security Management or CSM allows advanced web content filtering to keep office or family networks safe from harmful content. There's also an optional subscription service available to make that task much easier. The Vigor 2915 series features bandwidth management to impose session limits or bandwidth limits, and configurable QoS is also featured. Under VPN and remote access, we can create up to 32 LAN-to-LAN VPN profiles, of which 16 can be active simultaneously to connect your local network to other networks. or we can allow remote workers to dial in using popular VPN clients or the free Draytech Smart VPN client, which you can download from the links shown here. All common VPN protocols are supported, including PPTP, IPsec, L2TP with IPsec policy, SSL, up to 8 SSL VPNs are supported, and OpenVPN. VPN trunk management is featured, which allows 2 VPNs to the same location to be load balanced over 2 internet connections for increased VPN bandwidth and redundancy. If one of the internet connection goes down, the VPN will be maintained over the remaining connection. Central management here allows up to 2 VIGA APs or VIGA switches to be monitored and configured from the VIGA 2915 console as well. Okay, I'll include a link in the description below to this web user interface so you can check it out in more detail. So that is Draytech's VIGA 2915 series router range. They come with a 2-year back-to-base warranty and are available now from Draytech resellers. For more information about all Draytech products, please check out our website at www.draytech.com.au. If you have any questions, please comment below, or you can send an email to sales@draytech.com.au or give us a call on 02 9838 8899. Links below to the VIGA 2915 series product page and to a test drive of the web user interface. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe. Give the bell a click too if you'd like a notification of new videos as they go up. Thanks and bye for now.